Lesson 13 is going to be about multiplication as repeated addition. This is hopefully some review and some new. So let's say we have a bunch of desks, that's what these are, and we have 5 rows of them, and there are 5 rows, and then there's 6 desks in each row. I don't know why I didn't see that for a second. If I want to know how many desks there are, I can obviously count them one by one, but it would be a lot faster to use addition. So let's look at that. We could do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That would be faster than counting out one by one. But we could also use multiplication, which would be even faster than the addition. And an X is a multiplication sign. And if you were reading a multiplication sign, you would read times, so like 2 times 4, or you would read groups of. So in this case, we have 5 groups of 6, which means 5 times 6. We memorize our multiplication facts so that when we need to know what 5 times 6 is, we just know it's 30 right away, so we don't have to count all of those desks. Okay, so just another example. We have 4 7s. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. We could add those together. It would be faster to think of this as 4 groups of 7, which is 4 times 7. And hopefully you have memorized that 4 times 7 is 28. Okay, so I got a little carried away with my line. But that says adding and subtracting dollars and cents. While we're adding and subtracting dollars and cents, it is really important that you remember that $5 can be written as $5, or it can be $5.00. It's the same thing, but sometimes it's easier to write it this way, and sometimes it's easier to write it that way. Another thing you will need to know is that if I have 81 cents with a cent sign, that can be rewritten as $0.81. Okay, and then again, sometimes this way will be better. It'll make more sense to write it this way. And sometimes it'll make more sense to write it that way. Okay. Always, always, always line up your decimals when you're adding and subtracting. If you have a decimal sign, a decimal sign. If you have a decimal, it needs to be lined up in a straight row. I want you to write this in your notes with an exclamation point. Okay, so let's say I bought 4 things at the store. One cost $5, one was $8.75, one was $10, and one was 35 cents. If I'm going to add those together, I need to make a line of decimals right down the middle. So this is $5 plus $8.75 plus $10. And you notice I don't put the 1 there, I put the 1 here so that my decimal lines up. And then I have to rewrite this 35 cents with the 0 and the decimal just to keep those even. And then you'll notice the decimal goes straight down right into the answer too. So when you add those up, you get $24.05. All right. 2 problems plus what I told you to write earlier. You have to add those together. Oh, sorry. Subtract those and add these.